This is ogbolo. Egusi.
Keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me.
Hey fam, good morning. Spend my Saturday with me today. So first and foremost, when I wake up in the morning, I love opening my window and look at this beautiful view. Just check this out, guys. Check it out. You will love it. See this color. I just look at it and it give me that money vibe. So I run down to the restroom just to brush my mouth. So I just want to take you guys through my Saturday routine, okay? Keep on watching. We are still in the building. Hey guys, just finished having my bath. So now there's this guy who brought things back from Nigeria for us. So he just leave a voice record for me that he's back with my goose. I ordered from some food stuff from Nigeria and he just brought it back. So I'm just wondering, Nigeria is really tough. How this guy managed to come? So I don't know if he can say it or if he can interact with me. So I would try and talk to him if he will just give me a few explanations. Say I should come and take my goose. I have fish inside. I will just rush to go and take it so that my fish will not get spoiled. So that's what I'm going this afternoon. I say, let me talk to you guys. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine and keeping safe. Please be safe at this time. You need to be safe. Your safety is very, very important. Okay. That's my frame. This is the frame that motivates me every morning. See that frame? It's just something else for me. When I bought it, I was really, really, really happy that I got this frame. Each time I'm making a video, I just see it by my side or on my back. I say, oh my God. He say, make every day special. Make it special. Do that for yourself. You don't know how tomorrow is going to be. Make today special. Okay, guys, let me go and see what I have with him. Okay, I will chat with you guys when I'm back. I will definitely show you what I bought from Nigeria, my country. Okay, let's go, guys. Hey, guys. So I'm back in the house. So I brought back the goods which they bought for me from Nigeria. So for us to claim goods here, so because of the crisis they have in Nigeria right now, and it was stressful for the guys, you have to add 1 euro to it for me. Oh sure, sir, we get down. We get down. It's supposed to be 10 euro per kilo, but he said 11 euro. He said he go through a lot, they have to fly by. So he even sent me the video that I have to see what he goes through, why he was trying to get to airport. It was not really easy. All the road was blocked and so forth and so on. I said, okay. And I heard you want to collect 1 euro. Anyway, I brought down my goods. I just want to let you guys know that I'm back in the house and let's go and unbox it together, okay? Let's go. First and foremost, let's open this. I don't know what this is. I'm careful not to. Hey, this one is very heavy. Careful not to burst it. Wow. Cut it. Cut this. Wow. Oh, mistakenly cut it. Oh. This is ogbolo. Go see this. Oh, it's the fish. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Let's see what we have here. This is pepper. Yes, pepper. The fish. Dry bitter leaf. What is this? Ah. Pepper sauce, guys.
Like the lights of fireflies, we were obsessed, and we felt warmth in our chests. Your heart was full of dreams.
Hey guys, so those are the things that my sister bought for me from Nigeria, and I love them. Oh my god, the egusi, ogbolo, pepper, crayfish, bitter leaf, spices, all. I love everything. Mostly, the most important one is that fish for me. It's just that fish for me. It's like she knew that the fish is very expensive here. Mostly this time it's very expensive, and she got a lot of it for me. A lot and a lot. And I think that will last long for me. So I remember that I have this turkey which I marinated yesterday evening and kept it in the freezer. So I just brought it out to make lunch. Let me pepper turkey and fried potato with it. that we could have that for lunch this afternoon. So I do that. So I just want to say, if you have watched to this extent, thank you very much. God bless you. And please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And please subscribe to our channel. Share any of your video you like. Okay, see you all in my next video. Bye.